Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing the Bobbi Butterfly Locs in the ombre color. Just showing you how light it feels. We're going to be using our Shine Jam just to keep the hair tidy. Now in this tutorial I'm showing you how to do the single plait method that you just connect into each other to give it the look of it being to look like they're singles. As you can see, I just continue connecting them into each other so it's easier for you to install the hair later.
Take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear.
Just continue doing the same thing, and when you get to the back you don't need to continue the same method, or if you want you can, or you just connect it and make it into a straight line going backwards. So I'm going to stop talking now. Just continue watching and you get the gist of what you need to do. So yeah,
like the days gone too far for us to see. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze.
so once everything is done you just connect the ends. I don't typically sew mine down, I just lock it in. So now I'm putting the butterfly locks in. The one thing that I didn't do, I was trying to pull it through like his normal locks, but that's not a good idea because it can end up ruining the hair. So the best way to do it, as you can see, it was difficult to do the whole pulling it through by just using your crochet needles. So I will show you exactly how I did it just to make it a bit easier. So I encourage you instead to make sure that you pull that hole really wide, and then you put your crochet needle through whilst you put your finger into that hole, and then you can grab the end without messing up the locks. That's the best way I was able to do all the installs. So I hope that helps. Just continue doing the same thing, opening up the locks properly and then pulling it through and grabbing from the ends to keep the lock intact. I'll stop talking now, just watch and see how the rest of them are done, and then hopefully that would help somebody.
Let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet, it might even feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to seize. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody.
And here is the final look. We've got the hair up in a top bun here. As you can see, really beautiful, lightweight. We only used 3 packs for the hair. Only 3 packs was needed, and that was more than enough. We still had some left over, so 3 packs is more than enough.
Like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see. It's like walking through the sky where the stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as distant as it seemed.
And this is the hair down. For those that don't want to wear it up, this is the hair down. Beautiful as well.
Do you feel the same? I can take you far, far
Beautiful hair. Love the color, love the texture. Yeah guys, give it a try and let me know what you think. I'm gonna put the details in the bio, in the caption, so you can see the name of the hair, where I got it from, and also you can use a link to purchase yours. Thanks guys for watching.